From the outset of a project, Laing O'Rourke's teams consider which elements could be fabricated away from the construction site. Working within the broad parameters of what the factory can achieve, they then develop detailed design information models to inform both the construction and operation process and the manufacturing of components. To ensure the accuracy of their digital information, the team use Solibri Office to validate its contents. With their design information quality checked, the team then issue digital production information directly to the factory floor, where the process of component manufacture begins. Those on the ground in the project's location are able to seamlessly engage with and see the data about their scheme through tools like Solibri Anywhere, which enables access by any member of a project team wherever they may be, and Solibri Site, specifically tailored to those working in the field.
Having a safe system that is able to carry out these checks for us, it eliminates the possibility of human error and uncertainty, giving us a much better outcome in the way that the product is built. To have it wrong on site wastes a lot of time and money, so it's always key that we get it right the first time.